Hello everybody, this is Natalie from Texas. Welcome to my channel, and today I will show you my yard 2026. We have opened our garden season. This year I decided to plant again, regardless that last year was pretty bad and I didn't basically grow anything. Alright, I will show you my garden now. So here we decided to plant potatoes and onions. This is how it looks like. New spot. Let's go to see our main garden. Here's we decided to plant our strawberries. Then next it's tomatoes, peppers, and tomatoes. Tomatoes, different kinds, different breed. This is our zucchini and cucumbers. Okay, this is how it looks like now. So this time I decided to put a new sunscreen. It's already, our spring started in February, by the way. It was already in 80s Fahrenheit. So the season started. This is how it looks like. We will see if we manage to grow something this year. This year is supposed to be even hotter than the last year. Alright, let's go and see our yard. How our yard looks like. This year, bluebonnets are everywhere. There's much more than this year than last year. This is our trees. They are already with some of them with leaves. If you remember last year, our fruit were sick. They all like covered with like tree sap. They were very sick. We will see what will happen this year. We barely managed to save this tree. It was broken, and I think from disease it was very sick. But you can see it looks pretty good. See, we have flowers. Alright. Okay. Let's continue our trip. So you can see this bluebonnets, it's like everywhere this year. They're getting more and more every year, more and more, and they are only in our yard. There's no, you cannot see them in other neighbors' yards. This tree that gives a lot of peaches, but I could never try them because squirrels always first. I know how to protect them. Squirrels, every time we invent something new, this is like the fence trying to protect from squirrels, but I think they're much more skillful than us. So this is like nectarine, and it's a good tree, but it doesn't give any fruit. Maybe one, two. See, I like how they when they blossom. These flowers are really cute. Yep. Flowers. I love spring. Spring is my favorite season. And now you can see bluebonnets here. This is like crazy. Look at this. It's a field of bluebonnets. It's crazy. They're everywhere. The whole yard is in them. See? You can see some of them don't look healthy, kind of white stuff. We think the government sprayed something and it affected the nature. So this is another tree. It's doing good actually. It was pretty small and now it's pretty big. You can see it. Yep, doing pretty good. So this is our yard this year. Roses. You can see our roses. Still no roses, but they're coming. They're coming. Yep. So we can look at our cactuses. The main plant of Texas. I barely managed to save them for our ice storm, February. I covered them with lots of blankets and I managed to save them. Look, they're doing pretty good. Our cactus is doing pretty good. Yep. Let's go look at our other cactus. I planted it last year. More flowers. This is the cactus that I planted last year. I guess it will take a lot of time for it to grow. Okay, guys, it's March, the season when snakes in Texas wake up. And around several days ago, we shot one more snake. It was poisonous snake, copperhead. So they like all this environment, trees, water, stones. So you basically never go downstairs in spring and summer. So it looks like this. You can see our water is basically our river is basically gone. We don't have rain at all. Very little rain this time. So soon we will have shortage of water. But everything looks green. You can see. Hopefully it will be raining next week. The focus says it should be raining, but it changes every day. Alright guys, this is our yard. Let's go back. Alright, hope no snakes. Alright, this is our yard, 2026. Hopefully we will manage to grow something this year. And we'll manage to taste my cucumbers or tomatoes. Okay guys, I will keep you an update about my garden. See you next video. Bye bye.